Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Gbegiri soup. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of peeled beans, some palm oil, and your choice of assorted meats or fish. Make sure you have a blender, a cooking pot, and a fine mesh sieve on hand. Begin by soaking your peeled beans for at least 30 minutes. This helps them soften for cooking. Now, let's prepare the bean base for our soup. After soaking, boil the beans in water until they are incredibly soft, almost mushy. This usually takes about 1 hour on a stovetop. Once cooked, allow them to cool slightly, then blend them with a little water until you achieve a perfectly smooth puree. For the best texture, pass this blended mixture through a fine mesh sieve to catch any remaining bean skins or lumps. With our smooth bean paste ready, it's time to assemble the soup. Heat about 1/4 cup of palm oil in a pot over medium heat until it turns a light reddish color. Next, add your blended pepper, onions, and any preferred seasoning, like crayfish or locust beans, to the hot oil. Stir this aromatic base, then gently incorporate the sieved bean paste. Allow the soup to simmer on low heat for about 5 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent burning. For the final touches, add your pre-cooked assorted meats and fish to the simmering Gbegiri soup. Stir everything together, ensuring the flavors meld beautifully. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and bouillon cubes as needed. Remember, Gbegiri soup thickens as it cools, so you might add a little water if you prefer a thinner consistency. Serve your warm, flavorful Gbegiri soup with amala, ewedu, or any other swallow of your choice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.